Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, today we are going to learn English. Hari ini kita nak belajar bahasa Inggeris. Okay, what day is today? Today is Friday. How about the date? 18th of June 2021. How about the weather? It is sunny today. You have listened to this song, right? The Phonics Song. Okay, now let's remember what the sound that we have learned before. Okay, what is the sound? Can you tell me? Okay, very good. For apple. How about this one? For ball. For cat. For dog. For elbow. For fish. For gorilla. For happy. How about this? It for igloo. This one is for choose. For lion. For mango. For nose. For pizza. For rabbit. For sun. For tiger. For umbrella. And this is for water. And this is the second right, for kangaroo. And the next one is the sound that we want to learn today is O. That sound is together 5 times. O. Okay, who can tell me? O for off. O is for off. O for off. What else? O for orange. And O is for octopus. Okay, still remember how to write O? Yes. Okay, this is the way how to write O. Okay, the next sound that we want to learn today is let's sound it together. Okay, let's sound it 5 times. Okay, for quiet. Very good. For quiet. What else? For queen. For queen. Okay, next for quilt. For quilt. Okay. Do you know how to write? Okay. Let's do it together. Okay, this is the way to write. Okay, the next sound is yeah. Okay. What is the sound? Yeah. Very good. Let's do it 5 times. Yeah. Okay. For yellow. Very good. For yellow. Okay, what else? Can you tell me? For yo-yo. Yeah, for yo-yo. And Y for yogurt. Okay, so today we have 3 sounds that we have learned: O, and Y. Okay, after this, take your exercise book 7. Don't forget to write down the day and also the date. Make a line here and draw the picture that you like for O. Okay, teacher choose orange and teacher draw orange. Okay, don't forget to write orange and do O for 5 times here. The next one is right. So after you finish your O and then you write, okay, don't forget to write down the day and also the date. Okay, follow the same step and then teacher choose quiet. So teacher draw quiet. Shh. So teacher write quiet. Okay, and then teacher write for 5 times. Okay, and the next page is the last sound that we have learned today is yeah. Follow the same step. Write down the day and also the date, and then write yeah for 5 times. Okay, choose the picture that you like. Teacher choose yogurt and then teacher write yogurt. Okay, don't forget to snap your exercise book 7 and send to our WhatsApp group. Bye bye.